Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of data handling. This is fifth question of its exercise 3.1. So the question says that following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. हमें table given है. Now answer the following questions. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So first, average of A's score is equal to total points scored by A upon total number of games. So ये हमारे पास A के स्कोर है हमारे पास 14 प्लस 16 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 अपॉन टोटल 4 गेम्स हैं, तो हो जाएगा 50 अपॉन 4 इज इक्वल टू 12.5 पॉइंट्स. Second, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? So, here C played only 3 games. Third game is missed by C. So 3 games ही खेले हैं C ने. So यहाँ पे आएगा हमारे पास 3. मीन नंबर फाइंड आउट के लिए हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि C ने ओनली 3 गेम्स ही खेले हैं. Third, B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? So mean score of B is equal to total points scored by B. So B 0, 8, 6, 4, 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon total number of games, ये हो जाएगा 4. So हो जाएगा 18 by 4, तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 4.5 points. Then next, fourth, who is the best performer? So हमें A का एवरेज स्कोर पता है, B का पता है, C का नहीं पता है. So C का फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, देन हम ऑब्जर्व कर लेंगे, चेक कर लेंगे who is the best performer. So C के लिए आ जाएगा हमारे पास 8 plus 11 plus total points scored by C upon total number of games 3. So हो जाएगा 32 by 3, so हो जाएगा 10.67 points. So average score of A is 12.5, B is 4.5 and C is 10.67. So A is the best performer. Thank you.